If you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to be healthy, you're trying to take care of your body and deal with a bunch of metabolic issues, there are some really important things. I'm going to give you a few tips that have worked for me personally in this video, and I think it just might make a difference for you. Let's talk about it. First of all, why should you even listen to me? I'm Chris, better known as Chris Cooking Nashville. Lost about 130 pounds, and I still have some more to lose, but I started struggling a little bit with that because after losing about that 130 pounds, my weight just kind of leveled out and nothing really changed. And really when I'm talking about weight loss, I really mean fat loss, because I don't want to lose weight on the scale if that includes muscle and bone and healthy tissue. I really just want to lose the extra fat. And so that's what I'm trying to do. So I've done a few things to make that possible. And one of the things is, of course, eating properly. I eat a proper human diet, low carb, keto, carnivore, mostly carnivore now, but I started out with keto and I lost a majority of my weight, at least, by just eating a relatively low carb keto diet. And then after my body stabilized quite a bit, I went to carnivore, I lost more weight, and then my body just totally plateaued. And so I've just kind of been there, and my body is healthy and I feel really good. I just haven't been able to lose the rest of the fat that I want to get rid of. So I've started implementing a few things that are focused specifically on fat loss. Number one, I started tracking my macros, and it's not because I'm trying to count calories or I think calories out is the exact way of doing things. It's more just because if I don't have data, I cannot make decisions about what needs to be adjusted. So if you don't have the data, you can't actually manipulate it. So number one, start tracking your macros just purely for the idea of having the data so you can start to manipulate the numbers back and forth and see what makes the difference. The next thing is you'll notice I am messy. I have not shaved. My hair has not been washed. I am wearing some gloves because I'm about to go work out. It is 10 minutes after 10 right now, and I have not had any food yet today. I am fasted since about 6:30 yesterday, and I'm operating on just black coffee this morning. So I am about to go lift weights and walk on the treadmill a little bit, and I'm doing that totally fasted. And there's a reason that I would suggest you consider not only some intermittent fasting, if not maybe a lot of fasting, just entirely up to you. For me, it makes a big difference, but specifically doing workouts if you choose to do so while fasted. There's a few benefits, and I'm going to tell you what they are. First of all, when you work out fasted, and this goes for cardio or weightlifting, either one, some physical activity, go outside and play, that's a great thing. It helps encourage fat oxidation. This, of course, is going to help your body burn fat faster. Another thing that makes a huge difference is appetite control. And this is something that I really recognize when I work out while fasted like this. I actually don't get hungry as fast. And I'm not entirely sure how that works because I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a fitness influencer. I'm just a guy who likes to cook, who plays guitar in Nashville, Tennessee, who happened to be able to lose a whole bunch of weight by learning from all of these doctors and influencers who are online, who know a lot more about the science of why this works than I do currently. But the appetite control that comes from me working out while fasted makes a really big difference for me, because it means I'm not just focused on food as soon as I get up in the morning, because when I work out fasted, I just don't get that hungry until a little bit later, which actually extends my fasting period. And that definitely helps with fat burning. Now, although I don't think about things like calories in, calories out, I do know that I have a tendency to overeat, even on carnivore, because for me personally, my satiety hormones, my satiation signals in my brain, I still struggle with those because I ate way too much. I had binge eating issues when I was eating a standard American diet, and I was really addicted to carbohydrates, and that stuff will still flare up for me if I'm not careful. So I tend to have a hard time understanding when I've actually eaten enough and I'm full, because I don't really notice fullness until my stomach is actually maybe sick or hurting, because it's the only thing my brain for a long time understood as being full. So when I do this workout fasted, it actually seems to help me stay lower on my food intake. A lot of people would call this a calorie deficit because they're working out and eating less. I don't look at things that way, but there is something to be said for not eating more food than you actually need. This is an easy way for me to maintain that and keep everything under control. And one of the big ones for me is improved mental focus. When I work out fasted, because I'm in ketosis, my brain starts burning all of those ketones because I'm oxidizing fat and I'm making ketones for energy. When I do that, I get significant mental clarity, which is not only enjoyable just for my daily life because I can think and operate properly, like, hey, I'm going to sit here in the car and I'm going to film a video for my channel before I go in and work out. It also makes my workouts better because when I go in, I have the mental focus and the clarity that helps me focus on my form when I'm lifting weights, putting my effort into doing things properly, remembering the exercises I need to do so I hit all of my major muscle groups. Like, this is important for me. And because I can focus, because those ketones are firing in my brain full force while I'm working out fasted, makes it a lot easier for me to get in a good workout that is exactly what I need. I think one of the top benefits for a bunch of people is probably going to be the convenience. When I get up in the morning and I've got to come and work out, I don't want to spend a bunch of time trying to cook just so I can get to the gym and get the workout in because I got to get home and I got to work and I got videos to edit and I've got things to post online and all this kind of stuff. It is very convenient for me to say, I'm going to get up, I'm going to have my black coffee, and on the days when I'm going to work out early and I'm going to work out fasted, I can just head to the gym, go ahead and get my workout in, and then my day starts. And I can worry about things like my food later. So speaking of food, as soon as I get done working out, I'm going to go home and I have a meal prep version of a high protein chicken enchilada omelet in the refrigerator ready for me to heat up. That's what I'm going to eat so that I can replenish my muscles with all of the amino acids, replenish the glycogen that I need, all of this stuff in my body as soon as I get done. Now, protein synthesis, as soon as I eat that after working out, is going to help rebuild my muscle and it's going to make it stronger. So things like these high protein meal prep omelets, this is the kind of stuff I share with my private community called The Band. I'm going to link it down below. Community is a really important thing when you're trying to take care of your health, because if you do something 100% perfect, but you can't stick with it because consistency is key, you are not going to get the results you want. But if you do something that is 75% of the way there and you stick with it consistently, that's the kind of thing that is going to get you results long term. And community like The Band is a great place to get that kind of consistency. That helps you stick with things because you have a support network of other people who are doing this around you. And I go live in the community once a month doing recipes, also once a month doing Q&As, and I share extra recipes in The Band. And there's also a bunch of other resources in there, a lot of cool stuff coming soon. I'll link it down below so you can come join. This is the kind of stuff that makes a huge difference in your journey. There are so many people there, myself and Ash included. We are all ready to support you on the journey and help you find the consistency that delivers the results you actually need, because we do not need to do this journey alone and you don't need to white knuckle your way through. All right, so it is time for me to go ahead and hop in the gym. I'm going to get my workout in. We're going to have some fun, if you can call lifting weights fun, but it's really good for me. And I'm noticing I'm getting stronger as I'm doing this again, consistently. So come join the band, come check out the channel, maybe try doing your workouts occasionally fasted and see if your results are similar to mine and if you feel as good as I do. It's one of the most interesting and underrated ways, I think, of truly changing your body composition to go work out while you're fasted. And it's easier on your stomach that way, I've noticed. So it might be something that helps you out. Put it in the comments down below if you have done this, if you like this, if you're interested in trying this, what you think about this. Let's go get a workout in.
I'm tired. Let's go home.